So what's up guys, hope you are doing well. I'm Mesh from techmash and today I'm going to show you that how you can add a lock to your folder on your Windows computer. So this video will be applicable for Windows 11, Windows 10 or other versions of Windows PCs as well. So I know this is a pretty basic feature, but the thing is the default Windows system lacks it. So I will show you three methods. So the first one is you need to go to this GitHub link and copy the whole text, copy the whole 33 line. I will also put the link in the description below. So just go to this link and copy this code, and then just here go to any folder and then just right click on anywhere and click on new, and then just open a text document. So click on text document and now just rename it to whatever you wish. Let's for example rename it to files. You can rename it to however you like, and then just double click on it and open your txt file. So after opening the txt file, then paste the entire code here, and here you can see the entire code I have pasted here, and in this section here you can see your password. So here you need to change it to the password you wish to add to your folder. So I am here putting 1234 for example. So here you can see if not and pass equal 1234. So then now just click on file and click on save, and now let's close the files. So now we have saved it, and now what you need to do is just click on this view option and then click on show, and then here click on file name extension. So here you can see the extension of our file is .txt. So just right click on here and then click on rename, and now we need to rename it to .bat. So you need to rename it to .bat format and then click on yes. So now you can see that it has been converted to .bat extension. So just double click on here, and now here you can see that a folder has opened which is called private. So now in this folder we can like copy and paste whatever we want to store, and it would remain private. So let me demonstrate it. Like let's say for example these photos, and now if we just again open files.bat, now here you can see it is saying are you sure to lock, and then just press on Y and press on enter, and now you can see that our private folder has been locked away. So now let me show you that if I just again go to anywhere, if I just go to this .bat file, and then here after double click on it, then here it is saying enter password to unlock your secure folder. So now I need to enter my password. So here you can see that I am typing 1234, the password I have put, and now here you can see that now I can access the private file and all the images again reappear. So that's how you can like add a secret folder and add password to it, which only you can access. So this was the first method. So if this method worked for you, then don't forget to let me know in the comment section below. And let me show you another two methods. The next method is using the WinRAR software. So this is a pretty popular software. There is a high chance that you have already installed WinRAR on your computer, so you can use it for free. So let me I am just showing you that just go to Google Chrome, any browser, and then just go to WinRAR, just search for your WinRAR and install the WinRAR application. And after installing it, here you can see I have already installed the WinRAR application on my computer. So now let me show you that how we can use WinRAR to add lock to our folder. So just right click on any folder and then click on add to archive. So now here you can see that there is archive format, and here just select it to RAR and click on set password. And now let me just put my password here, and here here you can see that I have put my password to 1234, and so here just click on encrypt file names, and now just click on OK. Here you can see the compression, so let's leave it to normal. You can also here change it if you wish. Let's leave it normal for now, and then just click on OK. So now here you can see that our RAR file has been created. Our folder has been now added to a RAR file, and if we just want to open it, we can also remove our folder, and now if you want to again open it, it is saying you to enter password. So here let me show you that after putting then here you can see that I can again access all the files that I have stored in my folder previously. So this is how you can use WinRAR to add password on. So now let me show you the third method. So the third method is just right click on your folder and go to properties, and then just go to security tab in your properties, and in your security tab just click on edit here, and here you can see administrator. So just click on administrator, and here just click on deny, click on everything, and just click on deny, and then click on apply, and then press on yes, and then press on OK. So now if you just again want to open it, like here you can see it is saying that you don't have permission, you have been denied. So you don't currently have the permission to access this folder. So if you want to use it again, then you need to go to your properties again, and then go to security again, and then you need to just click on here, click on administrator, and then just untick this deny option, and then you can access all of your files again. So this is really not a really secure method. Like if the other person knows this trick, then they can easily access your folder. So this is why I shown you this step at the last. So that's it. That's how you can add lock to your folder in your Windows computer. So if this video helped for you, then don't forget to hit the like button. If you have any question or any suggestion, then let me know that in the comment section below. And please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for more future videos like this one. So I'm Mash from techmash, and I am signing out.